everyone. My name is Cheryl Soltis-Muth. I'm the manager of analytical services here at the district. Analytical services, that's the laboratory.
Hi, my name is Tom Broomhall. I'm a lab analyst here at the sewer district, and I'm working with some activated sludge here. We basically prepare a slide from some of the sludge, take a sample, and then we put it under the scope to see what's going on. We've got a Rotifer. It's a kind of bug that's in the sludge that basically cleans the sludge. If you see the tiny little fingerling things on its face, basically that's what it uses to move and eat and to help consume some of the organics and bacteria. They're kind of eating the calories and the nutrients and the food that's in the wastewater. It's kind of like small helpers, and it makes it cleaner in the end process when it goes out to the lake. As it goes to the end of the plant, it's very clean and clear, and it's more of a pure water.
Our final product, the water that our treatment plants clean, we pump back into the environment. The wet test specifically can determine if the final product, the whole effluent that we pump back into the lake, has any toxic effects on living organisms or the environment. The adult fathead minnows lay eggs on the underside of these tiles. From there, we remove the tiles and place them in separate bins in order to keep track of the age of the fish. In this test, we use the young fry, less than 24 hours old, and we put them in concentrations of our effluent sample. We observe these organisms for anything, death, any abnormalities that could happen due to toxicity, and we record that over 7 days. That tells us if our effluent, our final product from our treatment plants, is healthy water that can be dumped back in the lake without having any harmful effects on the environment or the organisms that live in our environment.
When people dump things down the drain, it goes into the treatment plants, and we need to see how much is in there because it interacts and interferes with the treatment process. So let's say we put a sample in here and we can tell that it's dirty. It goes through the system, we put it on, and then it comes out in a little aluminum pan. We weigh the pan, and that tells us how much oil and grease is in that sample. So this is an actual sample that we just had, and that's how we can tell what oil and grease is in our samples. And that's how we can tell what goes into our treatment plant.